two complex numbers, Z1 is 4 cis 5 pi by 6 and Z2 are shown in the argon plane below. Determine the exact polar form for Z2. So Z2 is just here. We can see that the modulus is 2. If we look carefully at the argument, remember that would be this angle here, then that's halfway in this section and therefore would be 3 pi by 4, negative 3 pi by 4 because we go backwards. So cis negative 3 pi by 4. We now want to plot the complex number W is Z1 times Z2 to the negative 1 on the argon diagram above. Now note Z2 to the negative 1 is just 1 over Z2. So what we're really doing here is dividing Z1 and Z2. So that's going to be Z1 over Z2. And that's going to be 4 cis 5 pi by 6 over 2 cis negative 3 pi by 4. So we know that we divide the moduli and we're going to subtract the arguments. So 5 pi by 6 take away negative 3 pi by 4 is going to be add 3 pi by 4. And that's going to be 2 cis 19 pi by 12. That's gone past pi, so it's over here somewhere. And so what we want to do is measure that angle going that way. Now we know that 2 pi is 24 pi by 12, so 19 pi by 12 would be the same as doing negative 5 pi by 12. So because 5 pi by 12 add 19 pi by 12 is 24 pi by 12. So it's going to be 2 cis negative 5 pi by 12. Now if you look carefully at the diagram we were given, each ray is a pi by 12. So we know that the modulus is 2. It's going to be on the circle with a radius of 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means that we are on this ray down here at a distance of 2. So it's going to be just here for W. Now, Z1 is 4 cis 5 pi by 6. Is a solution of the equation z to the n equals r, where r is a positive real number and n is a positive integer. So if we think about z1 to the 6 to get rid of the denominator here, that would be 4 to the 6 cis 5 pi. The problem is that 5 pi is over here, so that would be a negative real number. So what we really need is to go to 12, and then what we would have is cis 10 pi in here, which is going to be out here and therefore positive. So that 4 needs to be to the 12. Now the r needed to be in the form 2 to the r, 4 to the 12, is the same as 2 to the 24.